If your boutique hotel looks amazing but bookings are slow, here's how to fix it. Boost bookings. Build your brand. Start with your story. Why you opened your hotel and what makes it special. Then get found on Google. Update your business profile, add real photos, and post weekly offers. Your website is your digital lobby. Make it fast, clear, and mobile-friendly. Guests should book in 3 taps. Add a best rate guarantee to drive direct bookings. Show the vibe, not just the room. Share sunrises, guest smiles, and neighborhood cafes. Use short videos on Instagram and TikTok to bring your story to life. Run small, smart ads on Google and Meta. Send warm, personal emails with local tips and thank you notes that turn guests into fans. Ask for reviews. Add perks for direct booking. MarketinGear builds your digital system from story to sales. Book your free strategy call